Throw some ice cubes into the toilet. This clever trick solves an annoying problem that hardly anyone talks about. Next, pour in your favorite cleaning liquid. Just use whatever you have at home. Then grab some fabric softener. Its anti-static properties help prevent dirt and residue from sticking to the ceramic surface. Plus, it leaves a fresh, long-lasting scent. Add a capful to the toilet. Now it's time for shaving foam. The order of these steps really matters. The foam breaks down grime and acts like an active cleaner. Next, toss in some laundry scent beads. They release a strong fragrance over time and even create a protective layer inside the toilet. Add a bit of dish soap, too. Its degreasing power cuts through dirt and makes the ceramic shine. Let everything sit in the toilet for an hour so the ingredients can work their magic. Then scrub the bowl thoroughly with a toilet brush. Flush and give it another quick scrub. The ice helps loosen deposits and makes the other ingredients work better. This wild combination acts like professional-grade cleaner. Your toilet will be not only clean, but also fresh-smelling, shiny, and looking better than ever.